guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your returning time, if this is your first time, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Brianna. They call me Bri, and I'm super excited to get into the nitty-gritty with this today. Curology, we've all seen it, we've all heard of it. I see it probably at least 3 times a week, and I wanted to know what it was really about, and so that's what this is all about. Stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because this is going to be a two-parter. So I have pretty great skin. This is my skin in its normal form, like just straight out of bed, with a little cleanser or whatever, moisturizer, but this is like just me barefaced. And so I have been really focusing on my skincare routine and just really trying to help that since I've been in the house more than usual, and I'm on Zoom a lot, and so I feel like, I don't know, I'm more like self-conscious about how I look because I can see my face in like a Zoom camera. That being said, I've heard really great things, and you know, Curology makes a lot of big claims, and so I figured it would be a good idea to give them a try. And I don't know if you guys knew this, but they offer like a trial. They can give you a trial of like the prescription, you know, custom made skincare for you just pay shipping and handling, which was like $5 for me. It comes in a cute little box like this. I haven't opened it yet. We're gonna unbox it, and that's what this video is. We're unboxing it, so here we go. All right, so here we go. I cut the tape open, and I'm literally opening the box. So this was made for me, guys. Okay, it was made for me. So yeah, I did answer a few questions. I did have to send some pictures of my skin from the sides and then from the front. And then they took maybe 2 days to really think about everything because they really do like prescribe you stuff. And it's Black History Month, and they have a little Black History Month note in here. So yeah, that's really cool. Black Joys Resilience. I am trying to support some, you know, local Black businesses. I have a few products to review and try out from Black-owned companies because that's something that's becoming more and more important to me. But regardless of that, they want you to love your skin every day. So here we go. It comes with a cleanser, a custom formula, and a moisturizer. Welcome, member, to your new routine. It's for morning and night, they say. And it's made by their dermatologist with love. So happy Valentine's Day, right? I also did get some emergency spot patches. This is literally, when I say this is a trial size, y'all, like this is a trial size, okay? I feel like this is like one patch in here. But this is just for sudden spots. They do give me some like solutions and stuff, like breakdowns, so lots of formal mumbo jumbo. But now to get into the actual goods, your skin goals achieved, kids. So that's exciting. The box is pretty cute. It's really small, but like I said, I think this is just the trial size, not the full size product. So for $5, like I'm not complaining at all. So let's see what is inside. So boom, here we go. It's got my name on it, like my legal name. But yeah, and it's, so this is the, it doesn't say if it's the cleanser or not. I don't like that. Oh, I really don't like that. That's, okay, so this is the moisturizer. Oh, I get it. So this is the cleanser and the moisturizer. So these I don't think are custom. I think these are just a generic gentle cleanser, gentle moisturizer. So we'll see how these work. We'll try these out, probably starting tonight, honestly, and see what happens. I may start them tomorrow. I have plans tomorrow, so I don't know. But this is this. And then this is the custom, like, medicated formula. That's why there's no name on it. It literally just says apply to face nightly. It's got, like, I'll show you the chemicals that are in that, if you can read it. Does that help at all? No, not really. But that's kind of what's in there if you ever want to try to figure out what that is. I told them that I needed help with diminishing dark spots and the occasional breakout. And that was pretty much all I really said. Because right now I am kind of having like a breakout up here, and then everything else is doing pretty okay. Some dark spots that I'd like to kind of maybe fix. Other than that though, I'm actually very happy with my skin. I'm honestly, a lot of times, like if I change routines, my skin will react badly just because it's a new routine, it's gotta adjust. So I'm mostly just scared that I'm gonna have to do that whole adjustment thing. And I'm really scared about it because my skin is genuinely doing like the best it's done probably in a very long time. So yeah, that's the unboxing. So far really cute. This is probably only gonna last me about 2 weeks, but this is what they send you for $5, literally just to get you started. And I think that's a really great idea. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can keep up with, if anything else, this Curology and see how it works, because I know, like, I've always been dying to know if it really does work, because I know everybody's paid at some point, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. Have a great day.